Hey, what's up? It's Tom and welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to be checking out the Onforu SKO3 portable speaker. Now, what's really attractive about this speaker is the fact that it comes with a bicycle mount. Yep, you heard, a bicycle mount. So this type of thing is attractive to somebody who likes cycling but perhaps doesn't like wearing headphones. Or if you like cycling in groups and you just want everyone to listen to music. I know it's not the best of time to be doing that with COVID and all that, but nevertheless, it's still a pretty good idea, this. And wow, let's have a look at the box. So it's very basic packaged. Which is acceptable, it's very reasonable. It's 5 watts speaker, and the voltage is 5 volts or 1 amp. Bluetooth range is around 10 meters. The battery capacity is 1200 milliamp hours, and it's got an IP65 rating in terms of water resistance. So we're now going to have a look at what's inside of the box. Now I must admit I have already opened the box simply because I needed a portable speaker. So you sort of know what it's like, I know everything about it, but you don't, so I'm going to do it for you again. So the speaker itself already comes with your thing for the bike, and it's very easy to attach. Unfortunately, the weather hasn't been great over the last couple of weeks, and what I really wanted to do is to show you a video of how I'm mounting it, how it's like to use out and about. And the good news to that is that I still am planning to do that, just waiting for the weather to improve. So there will be a part 2 in this video. So if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel so that you know when that video goes live. But anyway, this is pretty cool, and the speaker itself doesn't come with this mount sort of joint to the speaker. You can actually take the speaker out. So if, say for example, you're just wanting to use the speaker outside in a garden, if you want to use it in the kitchen while you cook or anything like that, you could that just comes off, and it's a portable speaker. Now it does come with this sort of optional clip, and I think that's a really good idea because, well, it helps you, to hang it up. For example, if you want to hang it up from a parasol in your garden, or if you want to hang it up from a beach parasol away from the sand and dirt, it's a pretty good idea. But other than that, the speaker is actually pretty small, and like I said, I was extremely surprised with the sound quality, because the sound quality on this is amazing. It's very comparable to premium speakers, such as the speakers by JBL and other similar like brands. Now, in terms of mounting it, I will show you a quick demonstration. It's very simple. Literally, you don't need a screwdriver for this, I don't think either. You literally just unscrew this with your fingers. It will take some time to unscrew, but that's the way it is. And then you take this out. These are pretty useful depending on the size of your handlebars, but make sure you keep them safe. You literally just open it like that, and you just put it over your handlebar, and then you start, you put these in if you need to, and then you start screwing it back up. It's very simple. And the actual mount, if you cycle a lot and you want to listen to music while you cycle, it can actually stay on the handlebars, and you can just take the speaker off. Now, judging by the fact that it was pretty difficult to take this off the mount, it means that it's not going to fall off, but that will be determined in a future video. Hopefully that will come up within the next couple of weeks, depending on the weather, obviously. But yeah, and alternatively, what you can do as well, and that's something that I've been doing, is you can actually use this as a stand, a makeshift stand. I mean, why not? But what I would probably do is, if you take this off again, I'll put it like that, and there you have a makeshift stand. Now, other than the clip and the mount and speaker itself, inside the box you get a instruction manual. Put that to the side. You get a instruction manual, which is available in several different languages, including, what am I seeing here? So, Spanish, Japanese, Italian, Dutch, French, and English. Loads of different languages there. Could be even more, to be fair. But apart from that, you also get 2 cables, which is very nice to see. Not many portable speakers these days include more than 1 cable. It's usually just a charging cable. But this one actually includes an aux, and the aux is pretty long. I would say it's about 1 meter, maybe just slightly longer. Very nice to see. You have to bear with me. Very nice to see, especially if you're planning to connect a older type of device, such as a MP3 player or something without Bluetooth. So perhaps a portable CD player or something along those lines. And yes, I do that sometimes, because why not? And it also comes with a micro USB cable. Unfortunately, it's not USB-C. Now, the micro USB cable is slightly shorter than an aux cable, but nevertheless, at least you actually get one in the packet. So yeah, in terms of the test, what I'm going to do is I'm going to play some example music from No Copyright Sound, and I'm going to, well, play it to you on this speaker. I'm going to connect it to my computer, and we'll see what happens from there. Now, to get the best experience out of the test, I recommend putting on a decent pair of headphones, because that's the best way you can actually experience the sound quality of this. Obviously, it won't be the best way of testing it, because you're not actually in the room with me, but nevertheless, it hopefully will give you an idea of the sound quality on this. Okay, so to begin with, we're going to be powering on the device now. Or the speaker. So it's got 3 buttons. That's your minus and plus. I would imagine that's your volume, and then it's got a triangle. I would imagine that that's your power button or function button. Let's have a look.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
So I'm going to go back to the laptop, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on to Bluetooth. I don't want Creative Cloud. Go away, Creative Cloud. I'm going to go on to Bluetooth. Okay, so I'm going to go and add device. So, oh blimey, that's a lot of devices there. So the device in question will be the A-Speaker 04. I'm not sure if you heard that, it made a noise. I would imagine that's to say that it's connected. Okay, yep, it's connected. So let's do a quick sound test. I think we're just going to choose the main introduction. Now it's already selected on here, which is very good. Let's make this video full screen. So let's have a look. What I'm going to do as well is I'm gonna put the mic by the speaker so that you get the best possible experience, as you can see. And let's play. Hey, I'm Dom and welcome to my channel. I'm a tech enthusiast and IT specialist. On this channel you'll find all sorts of tech related videos, including tech reviews, unboxing videos, PC upgrades and repairs, gaming videos, and all sorts of other computer and tech related fun. If that's what you're into, then don't forget to subscribe, and hope you enjoy my videos. Yeah, so for the sound test, I'm just going to put on Eneviro Demons. The attribution and link to this song will be in the description under this video. And let's see what it's like for music. Yeah, so that was one song. Let's try another one. Let's try The Ghost.
Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? I can see you from behind. You can hear me in your mind. Run so fast as you can go. Time will catch you before you know. Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? I am you.
Yes, so that will conclude the test. Now, overall, I'm actually extremely satisfied with this speaker. I don't know what it's like outside. I haven't had a chance to test it yet because, well, it's mainly been either extremely cold or it's been raining. But I will attempt to try it in the next few weeks, hopefully. The weather will let me. Fingers crossed for that. And there'll be a part 2 of this video shortly. And when I do release the part 2 of this video, there'll be a link up here somewhere, and I'll link it all in the description below. Just a quick side note, if you like anything that you see on my setup, I've got it all linked for you in the description of this video in kit.co link. So do check that out. And consider subscribing if you like this type of content. I mean, I tend to upload videos on a weekly basis, anything tech related. So if you're into tech, check that out. Do check out my blog as well at www.techwithdom.com, where I post all sorts of cool content and experiences. I've also just recently opened it for guest posting. So if you feel like writing a guest post, get in touch. The link to that will be in the description of this video. It currently is free since the blog is, well, brand new, but it is subject to verification. So do use the contact form to get in touch with me so we can discuss everything. But other than that, the speaker itself is absolutely amazing. I highly recommend it. And yeah, until next time.